YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about books on creativity. These are 8 books which will help you to become the creative version of yourself. I already told that I'm a bibliophile. I love collecting books, though I don't have read almost all the books, but I have the knowledge and I know the collection of books, right? So I am sharing you the creativity books that will help you to get more creative. So first is the Creative Curve by Alan Gannett. This is the first recommendation, right? You can buy it from Amazon. I will be mentioning all the links, affiliate links of these books. You can purchase that from Amazon. So first is the Creative Curve. Next comes Rework. I have already discussed this type of book in one of my book recommendation. It is by Jason Fried. Change the way you work forever. This will help you to be more creative and to be more productive in your work. As you can see that it shows an easy way successful business, right? So this is the second recommendation. Third is The War of Art. Break through the books and win your inner creative battles by Steven Pressfield. I haven't read this book, but I have heard of this book and I will be soon reading this, right? So the third one is The War of Art. Next comes Hitmakers by Derek Thompson. The science of popularity in the age of distraction. Right now we are so much distracted, right? And we hardly focus on particular thing. So this book will help you to get rid of distractions. Next, Contagious by Jonah Berger. Why things catch, right? Why certain things catch our attention. Contagious. Right now coronavirus is also there and it is contagious. Same is the concept. Why certain things are contagious and we get attracted to that. This is discussed in that book. Next is The Flow by Mihaly. This name is awkward, but I know this book. This is also a great. The classic work on how to achieve happiness. This deals with emotions. This deals with psychology, as you can clearly see, right? The description which tells us, right? So this is the recommendation. Flow. Next is Creativity by Ed Catmull. Overcoming the unseen forces that stand in a way of true inspiration. So this is the next recommendation, Creativity, right? And last but not least, this was the first book that I came across, Ogilvy on Advertising. There is a paperback. It is published in 1985. So what does this book say? See, it is also facets of advertising. It will help you to become master in advertising. And remember, two are the most important things when it comes to any skills: advertising and marketing, right? So this is the book. So I repeat all this. So first is this Ogilvy on Advertising. Next is Creativity by Ed Catmull. Then comes Flow by Mihaly. The name is dangerous. And next is Contagious by Jonah Berger. Then Hitmakers by Derek Thompson. Then War of Art by Steven Pressfield. Then Rework again by Jason Fried. And last is The Creative Curve by Alan Gannett. So these are some of the 8 books recommendation from my end to become your creative self, to enhance your creativity in yourself, right? So I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity, right? See you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.